spaghetti with mussels. Enjoy! Hello everybody! This is Chef on Two Wheels here again. Make a pasta today with mussels, spaghetti, parsley, garlic, cherry tomatoes, and chili flakes. But first we have to clean the mussels. Get some garlic. Should be enough. Using a handful of garlic. And garlic, we'll just roughly chop them. We'll just grab tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. We'll just halve them. So just cut them in half. Okay. Then we'll grab a bunch of parsley. We'll just chop them. So that's all the ingredients we need. I'll be using spaghetti. That's number 9, so it cooks in about 10 minutes. So we'll cook it under. We'll set the timer for about 8 minutes. Alright, we'll just be boiling in some water. And in this pan, grab some good amount of olive oil. We'll throw in our garlic. We'll just let it sweat. Now we get some boiling water. At the same time, we'll cook our spaghetti. Get some salt. Nicely. Lower the fire. Just let it sweat. Like a decent amount of spaghetti. Okay. I'll set the timer for 8 minutes. Garlic, very nice. Put it aside. Our spaghetti, we can just it's a bit soft already, so you can just move it around. So we'll cook evenly. We'll wait for that to cook. So while our spaghetti's cooking, we'll be cooking our sauce together with it. So to this, we'll add our cherry tomatoes. Add some pepper. Bit of salt. Shake it all around. To this we'll add our chili flakes. this one's optional, but depends on how hot you want or how spicy you want it. The smell of garlic is really good. Then to this, we'll add our black mussels. We've cleaned. We took out the beard. Give it a good shake. Then we'll cover it, alright? So we'll just let it steam. That smells so good. Lower the fire. So now we can just take off some of the shells. There's too many shells in here. So if you see something like this that didn't open, just chuck it. Chuck this. Okay, we'll just check on our pasta. Our pasta is cooked. Al dente. So it's still a bit under. So I'll finish the cooking in this pan. We'll save some of that pasta water just in case we need some. That's a good time to put our parsley. Give it a good shake. Some more cracked pepper. A bit more salt, just a bit. Needs more chili flakes. And shake it all around. Needs a bit more of our pasta water. Just one more. And Bob's your uncle. There you go. Just olive oil. Beautiful. Some parsley. Enjoy. So that's our mussels. Spaghetti with mussels. So there you go. Yum.